Alright, so our problem we're going to start with today, guys, is we are going to do this problem. When you know it, show me. Eddie, how are you supposed to show me? Let's see the wheels turn. Got it, Andy. Are you still thinking? Deja, you want to come up and show your strategy? I like the way you watch it. Okay. So what did you do?
Base 10 bucks.
You picked your date base 10 bucks? Okay, tell them what you did and what'd you get. So what'd you do?
I used base 10 bucks and I added to get 27.
Okay. So what did you add? You said, hold on.
13 plus 14.
And you
And
got,
I got
27.
27.
okay. You did that. That was what you pictured in your brain, right? Let's see. Najee? Can you explain what you did?
I used the double to plus 13.
Is that a double?
No.
Hold on. It's not a double, but you knew that fast. So what is 12 plus 13?
25.
And then why did you add 2 more?
Because it was 7. And it was 27.
Okay, so where did you get that extra 2? From here? From 1 more from here? And then 1 more from there? Where did you get the 2 from?
I used 5 plus 2.
5 plus 2. Where'd you get the 5 and the 2?
I know 5 plus 2 is 7, so I add 2 plus 2.
Okay. Eddie? Alright, what'd you do? Step this out some. Let's see.
10 plus 10 equals 20, and 4 plus 7 equals 7.
So what'd you do? Where'd you get the 10 and the 10?
From
So you broke it into place value? So you did 10, 10, and 4, 3 and 4? That's 27. You did that too, Mason? Okay. So 9? you do?
I found out what these two numbers round to so I could figure out this equation, and then I got 20, and 20 is close to 27.
Okay, so you estimate these down to 10, and then you added on that extra 3 and the 4? No?
I rounded them.
You rounded them, okay. Madeline? Okay. What'd you do? Back up a little bit. Let's do it and see.
I did 13 plus 15 equals 28, minus 1 equals 27.
How do you take away 1?
Because I had to get, if that was a 15, then I had to, and it was an equation wanted to be 27, I had to subtract 1 from the 8.
Because of the difference of 1 from 14 to 15. So you knew that 13 plus 15 was 28, so then you need to take away 1. Okay? Michael? What'd you do? So you can see it.
I knew that 1 plus 1 was 2, so I added 1, 2. I got 3 plus 4 was 7.
Okay. Anybody use a double? Later, you gotta use double. Come on up and show that. Step aside and show them what you did. Okay, tell 'em.
13 plus 13 plus 1.
Why?
Because 13 plus 13 equals 26, but I didn't know to get 27.
Why did you have to add 1?
Because if I subtracted 1, I'd get 25 instead of 27.
Because you want to get from that 13 to that 14, right? So it was 1 more, so you had to add 1 more? Good. You did that too, Deja? That was the second strategy you had? Okay. Say that again?
The 13 plus 13, you just have to reverse the 4 and make 3.
Right. Exactly right. So it's kind of like you're just changing the 4. You know that double that is 13. You know that a 13, the double is 13 plus 13 is 26. You just change that to a 13, and then in your brain add 1 more. Yeah, that's exactly what Zaire just did. You're right. All right. Let's do 1 more, and then we'll try a different problem. There's lots more to go. You use the double. Did you already come up? Okay.
Yes, she did. Yeah,
Okay, I asked her, she what did you do?
I had 10 plus 10, which equals 20. And
Let's
I
do this one.
had 10 plus 10, which equals 20. And I had 7 more, which gave me 27.
Is that kind of similar to what Eddie did? Except you thought of it as a double and he thought of it as a place value, right? So it's the same problem. It's just how they did it differently. She thought of it as a double 10 plus 10, and he thought of it as breaking it into the values of the digits. Okay? All right, so if we know that 13 plus 14 is 27, let's see if we can take this and apply it to another problem. Hold on, why are we talking? There. You might have had, show me if you had a different strategy we didn't get to. Is that okay? Did your strategy have to be on the board?
No.
No. As long as you got to 27, right?
Me and this team, we was tossing the football outside.
We're taking. Alright, so if we knew that 13 plus 14 was 27, let's see how that can help us then get to this. Can we use that some way? Or in a different way? So what is this problem going to be? When you have it, show me. I can see the wheels turning on some of this. Gilmer, you got a strategy? That was quick. Come on up. Hold on. People are disagreeing. You're already changing it. They didn't even say why they disagreed yet. Why are you changing it? Did you see a mistake? What are you doing? Hold on. Okay, before they even said it, why'd you change it? Do you know why? You want someone to help you? Can someone, who disagreed, whose thumb went down? Let me see. Madeline, can you explain why you disagreed?
Because 5 plus 4 is 9, not 8. So it should be 10 plus 10 plus 9 equals 29.
Okay, so the 9 came from where, Gelmer? Where'd the 9 come from? Where's this 9 from? Right here, right? The ones place? Is that what you were doing? Okay. Alright. Who else has a strategy?
What is that?
A 9. I like the way. We have our quiet. Neve, you want to come on up? Our quiet thumb is showing me you have a strategy. Oh, where'd you get that 20? That's weird. Show me. Hold on, I'm asking Neve, where'd you get the 20? I don't see a 20 up here.
I'm going to 25 to 4.
Hold on. Okay, tell me.
Because 20 plus 9 equals 29.
Okay, and where did you get 20? How did you get from 14 and 15 to 20? Nutrients? You don't know? I like the way. Who has Kylie been up? Did you come up with the
I haven't been up yet.
You want to come up and show us? When you are sitting quietly. I like the way Zakira is watching so intently so she can see Kaya's strategy. Shauna's watching. Sonali and Tashina and Madeline and Lakia and Rochelle. He's got his eyes on the board. Can you scoot to the side a little bit? Can you just move together a little bit? You should move to the side.
And 1 plus 1 equals 2, and 4 plus that equals 7, 8.
Hold it up.
I mean, that equals 9, and 53.
Hold on. Let me explain.
And I see more on the floor. And I carry the 1. Then I catch myself.
Okay, remember if you have a question, you can ask her, but you need to show us. So now you have a question for her?
So, where are the ones left? Where are the ones left if you're doing them?
You don't get what?
Because
Okay, hold on.
I see there's more on the floor, but I don't get it because you have 2 10s there, and it should be 4 10s there and 5 10s.
I think we're getting a little confused with some, isn't more on the floor subtraction?
Yeah.
Yes.
So what was the symbol?
Less.
That's why she's in the grouping.
I think that's, yeah, she was trying, I think she was thinking, correct me if I'm wrong, that she needed to regroup because the 5 was bigger than the 4. She was thinking, I think, in her brain, subtraction. Is that what you're thinking? Can someone come up and maybe kind of show, if you were going to break it down into 10s and ones like that, what you would do? Could, Catherine, have you been up? Okay, so Kai, go explain to Kai why you have a 9 here, not a 7.
Because 4 plus 5 equals 9, not 7.
All we're doing is adding the ones place, right?
Because if you subtract, it equals 7.
You subtract with 2, right? Not subtracting, right? You see that? You sure? Okay. Anybody have a different strategy? Shauna? You'll get a chance when you fire. Great job sitting and focusing, Samara. Mason, thank you. Larry, thank you. Bevan, thank you. Okay, explain what you did.
I did 1 plus 1 equals 2, and then 4 plus 5 equals 9, and then I added it all together and I got 29.
So So where's the one, where are the one and the ones coming from?
This.
The what place? The tens place. You just took the digits in the tens place, added them, and then you took the digits in the ones place and added them, and then put the tens in the ones together. You had that same strategy? Okay. Toshina, can you share? Anybody use a double while she was thinking?
No.
Could we have used a double sometime?
You already used it.
Oh, she's ahead of me. She was doing one too.
Really?
Haha, good one, Tushina.
I can't see it, but yeah.
Wait. Hold on. Oh, close.
Oh.
I see where you're going with this. All right, so you explain it to me.
I did 12 plus 12.
So you knew you knew 12 plus 12 is 24. Okay, so let's see it. But you got 27.
729.
So I don't know if we added.
Oh! You missed something.
She missed something. You're right.
I disagree.
We just hold on. I think she's fixing it. Someone see what she was doing? You can kind of help from here. You do, Deandra? All right. Can you explain it? Can she help you? Okay. Because you were smart. That was a good idea to use your 12 facts, your 12 double. Have a seat.
Tens.
Instead of tens, yeah. You can use any double, right? Scoot to the side. Explain how where you got this 5 from.
Because
So it's 14 and 15. So how do you get an extra 5?
Because if you had, I don't know. I think
You think you got it? How would you get the 5? Where would you get the 5?
plus 4 plus 5 equals 9.
Okay. And where are we getting these numbers from? So look, to get from 14 to 12, how do you get there? What's the difference? There's how many more? To get from 12 to 14, how many more do you need? 2. To get from 15 to 12. So you get from 12 to 15, how many more do you need? 3. So you see where that 5 is coming from?
Oh, because 2 plus 3 equals 5.
Because 2 plus 3 equals 5. Exactly right, Madeline. So do y'all see that? Okay. Deja, you want to show one more double?
I forgot.
Okay, double. Anybody have a double? Another double? Girls? You know a double tonight? I like the way we're watching and seeing what she's going to do. You see it? That's a pretty easy one, huh? All right, so now step aside and explain what you did.
Because 14 plus 14 equals 28. So adding 1 more equals 29. Wait. I said 3
So
is
scoot to
1.
seven there. Scoot to 7. She
Nice.
just added 1 more. It's not actually in the tens place. So she's looking at this as a double. She knew that 14 and 14 was 28, right? And why did you have to add 1 more?
You had to add one more because the equation, you have to write what the equation equals because the equation equals 29. So and because this equals 28, I had to add one more.
Because it's actually 14 plus 15, so you had to add one more to get to that 15.